Now the last problem from this centroid topic, find centroid of shaded area. So this is the geometry given and this is the shaded area. We need to find the centroid of this shaded area. What is the new thing in this problem? Here axis is given, x-axis and y-axis is given. Some part of the geometry is in first quadrant and some part is in second quadrant. Now how to solve such type of problems, that we will see in this problem. Okay, so our first step is see whether axis is given or not. If it is not given, then define the axis or select the axis. But in this problem axis is given, so there is no need to select the axis. Okay, axis is given. Okay, now the second thing is we need to divide this part into the number of regular parts. Okay, so first part we can easily find. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, and here it is a second part. Okay, but if you observe this area, it is an irregular shape. We cannot calculate directly the area of this x1 y1 of this part. Okay, so what we'll do, so first we will select this square. So why it is square? It is given radius here, this is also a radius, so these dimensions are same, that's why it is a square. So this is a second one. Okay, and this, so second is square and third part is this quarter circle. Okay, so third part is quarter circle. Okay, so we can find the centroid of this. So we will find the centroid of square minus this quarter circle. We'll get the centroid of this one. Okay, now draw this part separately with respect to the axis. Okay, now the first part, what is the first part? Is the right angle triangle. This is our axis x and y, and this is our geometry, right angle triangle. Write the dimensions. So what is this dimension? It is 40 centimeter is the base, and height is, what is height here? So this is the radius, 30 centimeter. So height is 30 centimeter. Okay, now the second part. What is the second part? Second part is the square. So first is right angle triangle, second part is square. Now draw the square with respect to the axis. So here it is our x and y axis, and where is the square? Here it is our origin. Where is square? Here it is in the second quadrant. Okay, so this is the square. What are the dimensions of square? 30 by 30. Okay, now the third geometry, it is quarter circle. Now draw this with respect to the axis. So x axis, y axis. Okay, and where is our quarter circle? Here it is. And what are the dimensions? Here it is our origin. Okay, and what is the dimension? R. Radius of this is quarter circle 30 centimeter. Okay, so these are the three parts. First is right angle triangle, second is square, and third one is a quarter circle. We will minus quarter circle from this square and you will get this area. Okay, now third step, we need to find the x1 y1 a1, x2 y2 a2, x3 y3 and a3. Okay, so these three we can easily calculate because these are the known geometries, that is right angle triangle, square and quarter circle. Okay, then find it. So here x1 is, how to find this? This is a centroid. Okay, this is x1 and this is y1. So what is the formula? 1/3 of base, that is 40. Okay, I am going to write directly 1 by 3 base, that is 40. So answer is 40 divided by 3, that is 13.33 centimeter. Then calculate the y1. y1 is also 1 by 3 into the height. What is the height here? 30. So we get 10 centimeter. Okay. And a1. What is a1? Area of this right angle triangle. 1 by 2 base into height. What is the base? 40 into height is 30. So it is 20 into, so 600 centimeter square. Okay. Same way find this x1 for this. So what is the centroid? Here it is. So this is x1 and this is y1. Okay. So x1 value is half of this 30, 15, but it is in the second quadrant. So sign is, here it is 0, origin. So left to the origin. So it's right. Minus 30 by 2, it is minus 15 centimeters. So minus sign is important. We need to see the axis. So x1 is left to the axis. Okay, so in the second quadrant, so minus 15, and y1 is 30 by, it is above the axis, so plus 30 by 2, it is 15 centimeter. Sorry, x2, y2, a2. Okay, so what is a2? 30 into 30, 900 centimeter square. Now x3. Okay, so where is right angle triangle? Sorry, where is right angle? Here it is. Okay, and our centroid is somewhere here. This is our x1 and this is y1. So from where we are measuring? From here we are measuring. Okay, if you measure from right angle, then it's 4r by 3 pi, but now we are measuring from here, so it is r minus 4r by 3 pi. Okay, but x1 is in the second quadrant. Okay, so minus. Okay, then r minus 4r by 3 pi. Okay, so what will get? Minus, what is r here? 30 minus 4r, that is 4 into 30 divided by 3 pi. Okay, so calculate this and you will get x3. So x3 will get minus 17.26. How it is? So 4 into 30 divided by 3 into pi. Okay, so 30 minus answer 17.26, but sign here it is negative. So x3 is minus 17.26 and y3. So y3 also same, r minus 4r by 3 pi, but it is second quadrant, so y, so x2, y2, x3, y3. So y3 will get plus 17.26 centimeter. Okay, and a3, what is the area of this quarter circle? So it is pi by 4 r square. Okay, pi by 4 r square, it is pi by 4 into r square is 30 square. So by calculating this you will get the area. So pi into 30 square, 900 divided by 4, so it is 706.85 centimeter square. So we got the x1, y1, a1, x2, y2, a2, x3, y3 and a3. Okay, so now we need to find these coordinates, that is x bar and y bar. Okay, so what formula we will use here? X bar. What is the formula for x bar? a1 x1 plus a2 x2 minus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3. Okay, see here, a1 plus x1 plus a2 plus x2. So this is first and this is second. So we'll get the whole area. Okay, centroid of this whole area. But what we want? Only this much. So we need to minus this quarter circle. So minus a3 x3. Okay. So put the values. X bar is equal to, what is a1? 600. Okay, what is x1? 13.33 plus what is a2? 900 into x2 is minus 15 minus a3 is 706.85 into x3. What is x3? It is also minus 17.26 divided by a1 600, a2 900 minus a3 706.85. Okay, solve this and you will get the x bar value. X bar value is plus 8.71771 centimeter. You will get this answer. Okay, now y bar, replace x1 by x by y. a1 y1 plus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3. Okay, put these values. 600 into y1 is 10 plus a2 is 900 into y2 is 15 minus a3 is 706.85 into y3 is plus 17.26 divided by 600 plus 900 minus 706.85. So calculate this and you will get the y bar value. So the y bar value is 9.2 centimeter. Okay, so these are the coordinates of x bar. Coordinate of centroid, that is x bar plus 8.71 and y bar is 9.2 centimeter. Now locate this. So this is our geometry. We got the x bar value as 8 plus 8.71. So here it is 40. So 8 will be somewhere around here. So this is our x bar line, and y bar we got 9.2 centimeter. 9.2. So this total is 30. So 9.2 is around here. So we got the intersection point, and this is our centroid. That is x bar is 8.71 and y bar is 9.2 centimeters. So here it is our centroid of this shaded area.